Hi, are you searching your channel URL or links? This video gives you 3 easy ways to find your channel URL or links. So keep watch this full video.
Log into your YouTube account first and go to your YouTube studio by clicking the channel icon on the right side corner here. The third option is YouTube studio and click that.
Go to customization tab here. And select the basic info, the third option, and scroll below. You see here channel URL. This section is our channel link section. Just copy the link and use it wherever you want. This channel is my testing channel. I am creating for the tutorial purposes. So now I show you the second method. For that, search your channel on the YouTube search bar. Yeah, my channel is appear here. Then go to the cursor to the channel icon and right click and copy link address. Select the option. And now we check that link is working or not. Whenever you copy any link, once you check the link is completely copied or not. If you miss any one of alphabets, your link is not working properly. So copy the link properly completely. Yes, now the link is working. Now I will show you the tag method. For that, go to the channel icon and select the your channel option. Now my channel's homepage is appear. On the Chrome search bar, my channel's link is available, so you can easily copy and easy to use.
So I think this video is very helpful to you, so don't forget to like this video and comment below what are the topics you want to know, and also share this video to new YouTubers to help them, and subscribe the channel now